Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Today we're showcasing the OWC Express 4M2. This supports 4 M.2 SSDs in one drive bay. And as you can see here, it comes with a display port, up to 2800 megabytes a second, Thunderbolt 3, which we're very excited for, Mac and Windows compatibility. So here's some quick system requirements and details about the unit. Comes with soft RAID, and soft RAID is up to 64% faster than Apple RAID, which is cool. And then, since this is the 0 terabyte enclosure, we went ahead and got these. This is the Aura P12 480 gigabyte M.2 SSDs. You can put up to 4 of these in the unit. We'll show that in just a moment. This provides up to 3,400 megabytes of read and 3,000 megabytes of write speed. So we have 2 of those. And then what's in the box is you have the wall charging cord, you have the charging adapter right here, the unit itself. We'll go inside in just a moment with that. And they give you a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so that's very nice. So there's the whole package there. Now we'll go inside this box. Here's the outside connectors, Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort, power. It's a toolless design, so it'll just slide right out, just like that. Then on the underside, this fan assembly comes off, and as you can see, that's where you put one of the M.2 cards in. That's where you put the second one in right there. And then underneath is where you put the other 2. So there's 4 total slots in here for the M.2 SSDs. This is called the Express 4M2 from OWC. Comes in a nice small package like this, compatible with Mac and PC with Thunderbolt 3. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.